Peanut butter pie. Now we're talking. Hi, my name's Susan. This month of June, I'm doing every Friday a series on summer pies. I did lemonade pie last week, and today I'm doing my youngest son's favorite pie, and that's peanut butter pie. He asked for this for his birthday, and he would eat it every day of the week. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I'm doubling my recipe because with 2 grown sons and a husband who really likes pie, not to mention me, it's just better to double it. So I've got 2 blocks of cream cheese, and I'm going to cream that first. Now this cream cheese has been softened. I left it on the counter overnight. Okay. And to that, I am going to add 2 cups of powdered sugar. The great thing about these summer pies is they're usually so easy. And I like not having to get to bake because the kitchen is hot anyway. Now I'm going to add my peanut butter. And that'll be 2 cups of peanut butter. Mix it in. All right. Scrape down this. Bottom, make sure everything is blended. And now all I have to do is fold in 2 8-ounce or 16 ounces of whipped topping. This will take a little muscle because the peanut butter is thick, but it is so worth it. You say you earned your piece of pie by the workout you get in mixing it. Yes, I know it's not a fold, but I gotta get something mixed in, get it started. Now I have run the mixer just for just a brief second or two, because if you cool it, it'll take out all the air and you'll just end up with a gooey mess. Don't ask me how I know that. Alright, I think it's starting to look mixed up pretty good. I don't mind a few streaks. Alright, and then all you do is divide it between your two pie crusts. And the recipe I'll give you is just for one. Like I said, I doubled this one. One pie in this family just be enough to make them mad. You'll want to let these refrigerate for a few hours before cutting into them. And I will be right back to show you what they look like. Believe you me, this is good. Done had a bite. If you enjoy content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. I hope you enjoy these pies, and I'll be here next Friday with another one. Bye.